I will say that there is a difference between core muscles and ab muscles. There's about 86 muscles in the core. It goes everywhere from right below your chest to your pelvic floor. And that composes this middle section of your muscle group of your torso. The easiest way to directly build up your core would be, honestly, planks, Supermans, bird dogs. Those are the quickest ways to build up your core and the most direct ways to build up your core. If you're targeting your abs and not your core, you would try and do crunches. So that's basically just moving the shoulders towards your hips. I use that language because you want to see an actual curl from the midsection. When doing core exercises, this is generally going to stay in a barrel-shaped stiff position. This being your core, these 86 muscles are going to stay solid. But when doing a crunch, you'll actually see a spinal rotation so that you're starting to squeeze on the abs. It would be a standard crunch, a butterfly crunch, a leg flutter type of crunch, a leg raise type of crunch, V crunch, Romanian crunch. There's probably about 150 different crunch types. So any of those you would do to build up your ab block, which sits in front of your core. Your core is the 86 muscles underneath that are responsible for stabilization and keeping you upright all throughout the day. So you could have core strength and not abs. You could have abs and not core strength. They are two different muscle groups. The quickest way to build definition on your abs is by exhaling for a really long period of time on the hardest part of the exercise. So if you're doing a crunch, you want to try and take 10 seconds to exhale one breath. So don't inhale again. Exhale the entire breath, go real slow coming back down, and inhale, not as slow as you did coming up, and then repeat it again. So it's not about quantity, it's about the quality. Try and make sure that that burn gets there. You shouldn't be able to do 100 crunches. You should just really be able to do about 15 to 20 by the time it's burning so much because of the lactic acid buildup. That's how to build the shape and definition on the abs.